Hey everyone, this is my first official podcast, and this is my first guest of the show, Janvi.
Hi guys,
And
welcome to Anshul's channel.
yeah, and we have to manage with one this Jugadu mic, so just
Yeah.
take lo. So what are we here for?
Today we are here for a very conversational topic. I think जो
Mm-hmm.
हम रोज ही बात करते हैं आज हम वो कैमरे के सामने बात करें.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is about see, this is not a like a regular go-to topic of
Yeah.
like regular people, but कभी कभी you think about it जब certain चीज़ें होती है, like when you look into the streets and the streets are dirty, तो ये टॉपिक्स तब तुम्हारे दिमाग में आते हैं, या फिर ये मोमेंट्स तब तुम्हारे दिमाग में आते हैं that why no one is raising this issue, so that's why we are here. And yeah, you want to say something about it?
या कि दिस इज़ अ वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल टॉपिक टू टॉक अबाउट कि लोग बात नहीं करते इस बारे में क्योंकि सोचते हैं कि क्या ही है, क्यों ही बात करना है, क्या ही हो जाएगा. बट अनलेस अंटिल वी टॉक अबाउट नथिंग इज़ गोना चेंज क्योंकि साइलेंस इज़ आई थिंक मोर डिफीटिंग ऑन दिस लेवल rather देन स्पीकिंग अबाउट इट.
सो आई मीन फोकस हमारा जो लाइक आज की कॉन्वर्सेशन का या आज का पॉडकास्ट है, वट जो भी तुम्हें बोलना है उसका रहेगा रिगार्डिंग अबाउट दैट हाउ criticizing India is completely different than criticizing Indians, and how people confuse between these two terms and call every other criticizer as an anti-national.
Exactly. We are not anti-nationalist, we are not anti-patriotist. जो भी हम बोल रहे हैं it is regarding anti-behavior which Indians have adopted on their own और देश के मतलब country के against कुछ नहीं है. Yeah.
जैसे द बिगेस्ट फैक्टर जिसके रिगार्डिंग मेरी एक वीडियो भी है, और वी आर वेरी वोकल अबाउट इट, दैट इज टू पुट द ट्रैश इनटू द ट्रैश कैन्स इंस्टेड ऑफ स्ट्रीट्स.
Yeah. We treat our streets, all the public places as trash cans. Rather, we should treat the trash cans as trash cans.
अच्छा, लाइक आई वांट टू आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन,
Yeah.
जैसे मेजरली लाइक व्हाट आर द हॉट स्पॉट्स जहाँ पे इट्स वेरी प्रिविलेंट. आई मीन इट्स प्रिविलेंट ऑब्वियसली इन होल इंडिया, पैन इंडिया. वी कैन नॉट जस्ट, अब इसमें भी वी कैन नॉट डिवाइड कि नॉर्थ इंडियंस डू दैट, साउथ इंडियंस डू दैट, जो कम होता है लाइक ऑनलाइन पे वी आर वेरी प्रेवलेंटली सीइंग कि ऐसा होता है. तो जैसे बसेस पे इफ पीपल आर सिटिंग बस में अपने बैठे हैं और अनटिल अनलेस बस चल रही है, तो बजाय उसके कि पीपल कीप दैट ट्रैश इनटू देयर पॉकेट्स और वो सब, दे जस्ट थ्रो आउट ऑफ द बस. और इतनी कॉमन प्रैक्टिस है. मैं कभी ना कभी इसके रिगार्डिंग भी वीडियो बनाऊंगा दैट हाउ सिंपल इज इट फॉर पीपल, हाउ नॉनशलांट आर पीपल इन दिस for carrying this sort of attitude to, and that breaks my heart. And when we criticize people regarding this, then what are the what are the reactions of the Indians? मेन स्ट्रीम इंडिया का क्या रिएक्शन होता है कि मतलब दे टेक द क्रिटिसिज्म पॉजिटिवली और नेगेटिवली? दैट इज द क्रक्स ऑफ आवर डिस्कशन टुडे.
डेफिनेटली नॉट. दे थिंक कि तुम सोच ही क्यों रहे हो इस बारे में जब तुम कुछ कर सकते हो. अगर तुम किसी को बोलोगे कि वाई यू हैव थ्रोन द ट्रैश हियर एंड वेयर, कोई और उठा लेगा. वो कोई और कौन है? यू जस्ट हैव टू थिंक कि हाँ तुम्हारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, ले लो, उठा लो यार, इसमें कुछ नहीं है यार. एक उसको उठा के डस्टबिन में ही तो डालना है. नॉट बिग ऑफ अ डील.
And I mean, for that instance, जैसे we have seen social media, we are using social media, and we know that if someone is posting a criticism reel about this thing, so instead of taking it positively and instead of saying that, just look, if you look at the comment section, you will realize that people are actually angry about the creator, कि why you posted that reel in the first place to demean the the country's image and stuff. तो वो it's a very strange situation. People say कि why you're going in such places where there are so much of trash instead of going places which are clean, but the reality is 90% of India looks like that. And until and unless you're not agreeing, things are not going to change, because then it's just based upon the ostrich effect. You just put your head in the sand and think that everything is good. Then I don't think that it's going to work like that.
इवन आई हैव सीन पीपल हु टॉक अबाउट सिविक सेंस. दे आर लाइक कि अब तो क्या ही फ़ायदा है इसके बारे में बात करके. सिविक सेंस इज समथिंग विच कैन नॉट बी टॉट. अब तो बहुत टाइम निकल गया. बट यू, आई थिंक यू कैन स्टिल इन्फ्लुएंस द पीपल अराउंड यू, स्पेशली योर फ्रेंड्स, योर फैमिली, टू एटलीस्ट टेक अ स्टेप फॉरवर्ड इन दिस. तो स्मॉल चेंजेस can be done, I guess.
I want to ask you about the people that criticize the people that are actually doing something for the nation, like those who are raising such topics. तो जो मेन स्ट्रीम से उनके रिगार्डिंग रिएक्शन आता है दैट फुल ऑफ हेट्रेड समटाइम्स इट्स ओके डेफिनेटली दे आर गुड पीपल अराउंड बट majority of Indians are not, they are very stubborn and they are not they don't understand ki what is the point, and they just you know throw punches at you and say ki why you are saying this and stuff, why you asking this in the first place, why you criticizing in the first place, or you are the part of the leftist and stuff.
Yeah.
So what's your message for them, people like them?
So I would like to tell them and ask them ki you have to ask yourself ki what happens when you are celebrating Independence Day, for example. You wake up in the morning, you put on the songs, WhatsApp status, Instagram stories. You get to a public gathering where you are all like, yeah, mera desh mahan, India is a great country, yeah, all that stuff. You throw cans, and the next morning, on the morning of the 16th August, you see ki the tricolor, it is lying on the roads. People
Yeah.
have stepped upon it. वो गंदा पड़ा है वहाँ पे. Where is the nationalism there?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not criticizing government, but the government is also like very enthusiastic about it. Har haath tiranga, har ghar tiranga. But
yeah.
what about keeping that tiranga safe after that independence is over? Because we are not celebrating for one day. We are celebrating the legacy of our country that is more than of like 75 years. So I think people should be responsible. People
Yeah.
should see ki instead of just mere celebrating and being happy about it, there are certain moral responsibilities that we also should think
We
about.
as Indians have a very behavior aspect, which is rules are optional mentality, I guess.
Yeah.
The rules exist only and only when we are at our home or we are at abroad. The Indians who are abroad, they follow the rules very perfectly. All the laws are implied, everything is implied to them. But when it comes to their own home, own India, there is no traffic rules. People blow horns irrationally. I don't know. They throw trash, whatever. Where are the rules there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have also seen the videos where people are in a foreign country or a foreign land and they are this very sophisticated that this is a foreign country.
Yeah. Why can't Indians be like
No,
this?
I mean, this is a foreign country.
Yeah.
And यहाँ पे लोग कूड़ा बाहर नहीं फेंकते हैं. I mean,
exactly.
मतलब
But you are also doing the same thing there, na? Ki you are also not throwing the trash outside.
Yeah.
But when you come back to India, you are showing the same behavior again here. Why?
Yeah. Do you think that even the nationalism is being treated as a political agenda? Like now, what is the context of this? Supposedly there is a leader of XYZ party, so he or she will go to a different state of the country where उनकी जहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट नहीं है, तो वहाँ पे they will raise the issues of
Yeah.
such stuff, but उनकी अपनी स्टेट में हाथ बुरे होते हैं.
Exactly.
सो आई थिंक दैट पॉलिटिसाइजेशन या फिर कुछ भी बोल दो इसका कि इसको भी यू जस्ट कन्वर्ट इनटू द पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा, सो दैट इज आल्सो
Exactly.
मेकिंग द सिचुएशन मोर वर्स.
Yeah.
I mean, you want to say something about it?
Yeah, we can see that in Delhi, the governments have changed, AAP has changed, BJP has changed, but still the pollution, it's all the same, even if whatever the party was there.
Like I have followed Delhi. I mean, I was a big fan of Delhi politics since a very new different party. Yeah, very new different when the party like came into the limelight, and I have followed Delhi politics since then. And I have seen myself that there've been a domination of all the three major parties there, but the politics is very much interesting. But if we talk about the governance, I don't think that in terms
There
of
was a very
in terms of
big change.
yeah, I mean in terms of pollution, still any, like let's say any, if you अगर तुम किसी भी leader को खड़ा कर दो, the only thing that you will hear is the blame game.
Exactly.
XYZ party will blame the other one, and then there will be the third party, and we are not seeing a proper responsibility by the government that should be there.
Exactly. If we are talking about pollution, always there is a thing regarding Delhi ki Delhi pollution peaks after Diwali or the hay season. So it is like the Delhi government blames the Punjab and the Haryana government ki हाँ why this hay is being on fire and all that. And in turn the Punjab and the Haryana government blames the Delhi government कि हमारे ऊपर क्यों blame है, pollution तो दिल्ली में है. But this is the blame game which needs to stop. और the also the Yamuna thing कि Yamuna is totally clean in files. If we talk about कि अब there is not much as funding into the Yamuna cleaning program, whatever it is, but it is still very dirty.
I mean,
Yeah.
like those who say that we are not interested in politics, but when you will be a taxpayer, no, and you will realize that there is an exact budget of around 5,000 crores that has sanctioned to clean Yamuna, and when you will see the condition of Yamuna, then you will feel the rage that, I mean, the people who are politically literate, I would say, feel ki where is our tax money is going. And I think that's why it's important to raise such issues instead of just playing very safe and saying that ki we are not politically interested.
GDP's definition would change, but the money is still the same.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, GDP is increasing, but if what is the status of the privileges or the life conditions that should come with that GDP growth?
Exactly.
Yeah.
People talk about ki the government is not providing the facilities. There is some discrepancy, yeah, ki facilities are not up to the mark. But what do we do? Ki if a new washroom is being constructed publicly or a new bus stand is made, hospital is made, it is being destroyed.
Yeah.
Like in hardly 1 to 2 months, the taps are gone, the doors are broken. Like, if you are provided the facilities, respect that facility also. It is your responsibility also. It's not always on the government. Yeah, again the blame game between the public and the government.
I mean, India might be the only country jahan pe you also have to tie the mug that is in the washroom.
Exactly.
I mean, that is also,
You also have to tie the pen
Yeah.
when you go to the bank कि
Yeah.
ये पेन ही कोई चुरा के ना चले. Like seriously.
एक और चीज like I want to raise is that कि people who are raising issues, they are termed as anti-nationals,
Yes.
or they are easily termed as कि ये तो उस पार्टी का है, तो leftist है. But they don't know, I mean, कि we run through a democracy and it's important कि अगर criticism नहीं होगा तो you will never have a development, because तब तो everyone will believe that okay, it's a golden age and
Yes.
everything is doing absolutely fine.
Yeah, as I said earlier कि I think staying silent is more harmful rather than criticizing. अगर तुम silent रहे हो, you are accepting and moving on. उससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. At least अगर तुम कुछ भी बोल रहे हो, even if one person's mindset or his POV changes, then it's a good thing, I guess. I think by seeing our video also, if even one person, it's like कि वो अपने action को rationalize करने की कोशिश करता है कि हाँ, am I doing the same thing?
Yeah.
Then it's for the good rather than staying silent.
अच्छा, I also want to ask कि जब भी there are a lot of travel vloggers, right?
Yeah.
Travel vloggers, especially foreign countries के travel vloggers, when they visit India, तो their first reaction to, or like their first perception about India is when they visit Delhi, because obviously that is the international airport, and that is also like very disappointing to, मतलब वहाँ पे भी, मतलब obviously we are not worshipping foreigners कि we should be making them happy, और वहाँ पे वो सब नहीं है. That's not who we are. We are not living in an inferiority complex. I'm talking about कि जो हमें भी feel होता है, like being a resident of Himachal, if I'll visit Delhi, तो मुझे भी एक cultural shift देखने को मिलता है. The amount of the living, like the type of living conditions people are living in is, I mean, very overwhelming. That's what I want to say.
Yeah, also I would like to mention the moment I stepped out of the Delhi International Airport, it was very difficult for me to breathe because I was so used to the Himachal pure air कि वहाँ पे जाके it has a very distinct smell in its air.
Yeah.
Very sad.
I think what's the thing that you think कि people, मतलब again कि ये होगा वो होगा, that's a separate thing, but एक होता है कि basic thing that people can do just by a click, जिसके लिए ज़्यादा efforts करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. What are the things you think कि people can do without putting much efforts to it?
I would like to talk about two things mainly कि First is to take criticism very positively, even if it's on a personal level. क्योंकि criticism always makes you grow.
Yeah.
It is never to put you down, कुछ भी ये नहीं. And the second thing I want to talk is having empathy. Indians lack empathy.
Yeah.
It is a bitter truth, but yes, we lack empathy even for our very close ones also. Empathy starts from home, and it's a shame to say, but Indians lack empathy very much.
Yeah. I mean, people say it's like using that particular spot and then थिंकिंग है हमारा हो गया एंड अपना जो आएगा अगला जो आएगा दे विल लुक टूवर्ड्स इट एंड वो साफ सुफ करके या फिर जो भी है वो कर लेगा. सो आई थिंक दैट लैक ऑफ बेसिक सेंस दैट फॉर दैट मैटर आई वांट टू प्रेज द जापानीज पीपल. लाइक देयर सो मेनी वीडियोज वायरल जहाँ पे पीपल आफ्टर द मैच इज़ ओवर या फिर फुटबॉल का जो भी है पीपल स्टे देयर टू एक्चुअली क्लीन द होल स्टेडियम जब तक वो पूरा ना हो जाए. I mean, that's a great lesson.
Yeah, to all the cricket fans, I am also a cricket fan. No hate to all of them, but whenever you go, if I talk about the Dharamshala Stadium only, so once I went to see a match. So after the Indian match, it was like very bad to see the condition
Gotham,
after
like
it.
like a war
Yeah,
ridden country.
exactly. All the trash cans here, popcorn cans there. If in fact oh my god, and even if you say people कि हाँ वहाँ पे तो डस्टबिन्स भी हैं भाई.
नहीं.
एंड इफ यू से पीपल तो अभी वो सफाई करने वाला आएगा ना वो डाल देगा. लाइक व्हाई?
Yeah. I mean, it is basic. It is basic.
If you'll have a little bit of empathy towards that सफाई वाला or the worker, you'll even think कि we should do it on our own.
Yeah. And the other thing is to question what is wrong. The wrong is happening or the bad things are happening in every other country. It's about the insight of that thing, of that drawback. Like USA knows its shortcoming. People talk about it. Or XYZ country knows कि हमारी country में what are the things that are lacking and what are the scope of improvement, and they are working on it because they know they have an insight about that. In India, I think people are blindfolded.
Yeah, exactly. There is very much blind worshipping
Yeah.
of celebrities, of political parties. People, it's not a problem in following people. It's okay, you like them, but it's also very important to criticize your idols when they also do wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was talking about कि when you will have an insight about what's wrong happening in the country instead of being blindfolded and saying that everything is okay, I don't think nothing will change. I mean, appreciate the good thing, but also have to keep things in mind that there is a scope of improvement, and the scope of improvement will only be there if you know that if you want to go from 70 to 100.
Yes.
Like it's still very absurd when India is still being compared with countries like Pakistan and Afghanistan, jabki we have grew so much from the past, and
Yeah.
it's sad that we are still comparing कि पाकिस्तान से तो better है या फिर अफगानिस्तान से तो
प्रॉब्लम
better है.
वही है कि हम इंडियंस को कुछ गलत ही नहीं लगता.
हाँ.
जब तक गलत नहीं लगेगा वो सही कहाँ से होगा?
Yeah.
That's what is the problem.
Yeah, so I think the crux of this conversation has to be that know what's happening wrong, and it's okay to question about it. It's okay
Yes.
to it's not okay to stay silent, and it's very important for the nation building and stuff. I mean, yeah, that's the point. That's the whole point. Also, I want to ask about the cooperation between the government and the people. The country does not run कि you elect a particular person और फिर वो जाके सारे rules बना के उसकी सारी responsibility है कि उसी ने सब कुछ करना है. It runs based upon the cooperation.
Yes, exactly.
So I think what do you think about it?
I
Anything?
think my take on this is that it totally depends upon the party the people are following. Like now these days, if I have to talk about कि अगर one party has made the rule, so people who are supporting in the party,
Yeah.
whether the rule is good or bad, they'll support the rule.
Yeah.
And the people in opposition will oppose the rule. And if the rule is good, then people in opposition they will again oppose the rule even if it's good.
Yeah.
So I think we have to start thinking about the rule that made rather than the party who made that rule.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I mean, yeah, supporting a political party shouldn't be there, at least in India, because we know the fact that we are not picking someone idle. We are picking what's left or what's best among these people. Instead of that, instead of following up ideology of political party, that's what I believe. Follow particular leaders, because there are good people in every other
Exactly.
party. There are good people in every other room. That's
Rather than voting for a political party, vote for the person whom you are electing to represent yourself.
yeah. So we are heading towards the end of this discussion. We had a great time. Any last message you want to give to the audience or the viewers? Any last statement that will summarize our whole podcast? जो भी है.
As an endpoint, I would like to say कि I'm a very proud Indian. Everybody is here,
Yeah.
but it's like कि I want to see the improvement. I want to be proud more, and जिन चीज़ों पे I think we as Indians can improve, we should improve.
Yeah.
We have a very great culture. We have great heritage. We have very great talent in our country. We have
Yeah.
great music, dance. Everything is great. But जब बात आती है कि
Behavior.
if you'll ask anybody from outside, the first thing, as a somebody who is not living in India, will definitely think India is a dirty country.
Yeah.
He will not think of the heritage we have,
That will
all
outshine.
that thing, but he will definitely think कि India is a dirty
And that will
country.
outshine.
And this negative image of India will outshine all the great things we have in our country.
Yeah, and that was a great conversation. I was such a privilege to have my first guest in this podcast, and the motive behind this conversation कि कुछ चीज़ें जाए into your brains, a thing or two जो भी है, and अगर एक और दो लोग भी if they think या फिर वो भी कुछ सोचे कि okay ऐसी सी चीज़ें हैं and we also have to think about it, then I think our job is done.
We don't lack the feeling of being an Indian, but we definitely lack the character and responsibility of being an Indian.
Yeah, I mean, instead of ranting about the fundamental rights we have, it's important ki
We rant also about the fundamental duties we have.
yeah, and we should talk about it. So yeah, I think great conversation. I think it's time to end.
So no hate to us, no hate to anybody, and thank you for having me on your channel.
Yeah, ask them to subscribe. Ask them to subscribe. Like
Like, subscribe, and share
Yeah.
to Anshul B.
and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah.